Ever feel like you're stuck with your art, wondering how to improve or where to start? I get it, it can be overwhelming. But what if I told you there's an easy way to level up your skills? Stay tuned because I've got some exciting news just for you. Hey everyone, my name is Devvarsh Jain and I'm an artist, a student, and the creator behind Artbydevvarsh on Instagram. Art can be a journey, but it doesn't have to be a lonely one. And that's why I'm here. So here's a little bit about me. I am a student at South City International School in Kolkata, West Bengal. I love creating and sharing art tips, tricks and tutorials, especially for beginners. In fact, I have recently ranked 33rd position out of over 80,000 artists across India in a national competition. To be your go-to channel for art tips and tutorials, art shouldn't be overwhelming and feel you blank. That's why I make videos covering everything from simple tricks to game-changing techniques. By subscribing to my channel, you'll be the first person to the helpful tricks that save you time, tips that will transform the way you approach art, and many tutorials. So, if you're ready to take your art skills to the next level, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join me on this journey. With the right guidance, I know you can unlock your full creative potential. Thanks for watching.